Get ready for the dictation. 3, 2, 1, start. So far as the constitutional validity of Section 14B of the Act 1952 is concerned, the same has been upheld by the judgment of this court in Organochemical Industries and another versus Union of India and one others. Stop para. Learned counsel for the appellants submits that the justification tendered by the appellants for which the within bracket 1979 4 SCC 573 contribution of EPF could not have been deposited has not been looked into by the authority, and the element of mens rea or actus reus is one of the essential elements which has not been taken note of by the authority while imposing damages under section 14B of the Act 1952. Stop. In support of his submissions, counsel for the appellants has placed reliance on the judgments of this court in Employees State Insurance Corporation versus HMT Limited and to another, McLeod Russell India Limited versus Regional Provident Fund Commissioner, Jalpaiguri and 3 others. Stop para. Per contra, learned counsel for the respondents in support of submissions, submitted that mens rea is not an essential element for imposing penalty for breach of civil obligations or liabilities and mere contravention of the provision of the Act or default in making compliance of the mandate of law as regards the civil liabilities are concerned, mens rea or actus rea is not the requirement of law to be considered, while imposing damages like, 15 SCC 263 within bracket 2017 3 SCC 110 in the instant case, under section 14B of the Act 1952. Stop. In support of submissions, learned counsel has placed reliance on a 2-judge bench judgment in Chairman, SEBI versus Sri Ram Mutual Fund and 5 another, which have been relied upon by a 3-judge bench judgment of this court in Union of India and others versus Dharmendra Textile Processors and 6 others. Stop para. The question that emerges for our consideration in the instant appeals is that what will be the effect and implementation of section 14B of the Act 1952 and as to whether the breach of civil obligations or liabilities committed by the employer is a sine qua non for imposition of penalty damages or the element of mens rea or actus reus is one of the essential elements has a role to play, and the authority is under an obligation to examine the justification, if any, being tendered while passing the order imposing damages under the provisions of the Act 1952. Stop para. The judgment on which the learned counsel for the appellants has placed reliance, that is Employees State Insurance Corporation, the division bench in ignorance of the settled judicial binding precedent of which a detailed reference has been made, while examining the scope and ambit of section 85B of the Employees State Insurance Corporation Act, 1948, which is pari materia to section 14B of the Act 1952, placing reliance on the judgment of division bench of this court in Dilip Sroff, held that for the breach of civil obligations liabilities, existence of mens rea or actus reus to be necessary ingredient for levy of damages and or the quantum thereof. Stop. Thank you.
क्या चाहिए बदले में हमें? बस एक प्यारा सा लाइक, तो इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना और सब्सक्राइब कर दो यार। सब्सक्राइब यार, सभी की मांगे मैं पूरी करता हूँ। मेरी एक ही तो मांग रहती है कि सब्सक्राइब कर दो चैनल को, और जिन्होंने नहीं किया है कर दो यार, हाथ जोड़ के विनती है।